In this video, let's see how to add and manage an EC number in Easify Marketing. At first, please ensure that My Device Connect is connected before adding an EC number. You can check this in the Gateways section in the dashboard. In the navigation bar, click on Phone Numbers. In the Phone Numbers section, click on Add EC Number to add a new EC number. In the modal, enter the phone number in the Phone Number field. Enter the Device Reference ID in the Device Reference ID field. In the modal, click the Save button to add the EC number. The EC number is successfully added. In the phone numbers list, let's click the Assign button next to the number. In the modal, you can select who to assign this number to. You can also select whether to transfer chat history or to delete previous chats. Click the Update button to confirm the assignment. In the Phone Number section, click the three-dot menu next to the desired phone number. You can manage your EC phone number from here. That's all about EC numbers in Easify Marketing. Thank you for watching.